Those cheeks look humongous in film. Really, they're big in person, but not as big as they look on film.
Oh, mine is.
I think his are worse because his head is still small. I mean, it's big. It's definitely big. But it's still small. Yep. Oh, not for long. Don't say that to him. Yeah, look at his hand. Look at the hand on your chest. You want to play a game?
Come on,
Listen, it's the monster. You hear it? Give him the finger again, puppy. The first game, what? The device that's between your head.
You have 60 seconds to dismantle it.
You heard, puppy?
If you dismantle it, you live. If not, you choose death. The choice is yours.
He's awake. You woke him up.
I'm waking him up with this voice.
Yep.
Okay, no more. I'm sorry. Where's those fingers? I'm gonna cut them off. I'll cut those fingers off.
Night night, guys.
I love the way he is right now.
I know.
I don't even care if he doesn't sleep. I just like him chilling.
I don't know if it's good for the blood to go into his head like that. Oh, he wants up.
Mm-hmm.
He wants his head up.
I know it. I know it. Push it time.
He's tired. He's finally going down. Oh, it's 12:30, so it's good for him to go down now. Don't move.
Let me get this kid out.
What about this kid? What about him?
I don't get him.
He's still awake.
I know he's faking. He's playing games with me.
Mm-hmm. Want to play a game? Let's see who can stay up longer. He loves sleeping on you, though.
It's not 12:30.
Oh, the clock says 12:33 a.m.
Where do you see that?
It's probably 11:33. It hasn't been moved back. Camcorder clock. What's in your finger, Cochino?
Oh, it's very smooth. Feels good. What is this crap on the television?
I must be responsible, whatever it is.
Okay, enough footage.